Welcome to Visa Verdicts, the series where I'm going to analyze F1 visa interviews straightly pulled out from Reddit or any other forums to exactly find out what went right, what went wrong, and how you can avoid such mistakes or how you can incorporate such answers in your visa interview. So whether it was rejection or approval, there is something to learn. So without wasting time, let's jump into the today's case. Today's case is about F1 visa rejection at Delhi Consulate and candidates applied for the George Mason University. So let's review the interview. First of all, my interview was on June 30th, but the embassy rescheduled it to the 11th of July. I went to the counter, he reviewed the docs, the visa officer of course, and in this case visa officer asked a couple of questions. So let's review the questions. First question was George Mason University, then what universities did you apply for, then why GMU, another one is where were you admitted. So let's understand answers now. For the what universities did you apply for, so candidate applied for the 4 universities, namely Virginia Tech, GMU, Tulane University, Marymount Manhattan College. Where were you admitted to? All except Tulane. Then why GMU? It is for, I chose GMU because it is located near Washington DC, which makes its direct connection to the tech hub. It offers a strong CS program with a focus on AI, AML, which are my areas of interest. So it aligns with my future career goals. And I also received 60K scholarship. Then visa officer rejected under the 214B saying intent didn't align with the visa type. Okay, so that's good that visa officer already told that intent is not aligning. That is good. And let's see what candidate is saying. So what I think went wrong is mentioning the Marymount Manhattan College because it's an art college, and then candidate didn't include home ties in YGMU answer. So okay, I'll give my verdicts later, but let's see the 2 reasons that candidate mentioned. So first one is mentioning Marymount Manhattan College. So I feel like visa officer don't have that much information in front of them, especially when you are sharing applied colleges during your interview. So I don't think so, but could be possible. I'm assuming not. So I feel like that is not the issue. Second thing is didn't include the home ties in YGMU answer. To be honest, it is not required to add home ties inside your YGMU answer. You can add it that in your financial question, or maybe if asked what is your future plans and all, you shouldn't be mentioning home ties in your why this university question. Okay, so I feel like both things are not applicable here. Let's see from my perspective what went wrong. The first thing is, and which is very critical to mention about the Washington DC, because it directly gives a impression that candidate wants to get connected with the tech hubs and something like exploring the future there. So that's the first problem. And second problem is that it's very generic answer for the YGMU. So if you see, almost all the colleges offers nowadays CS program with AI ML focus, but why GMU? Candidate should have mentioned about the professors that he is not getting in any other college, right? So maybe that one, or a specific thing about the research. You should have mentioned that instead of generic answer. So that is, I feel like these are the top 2 things. That's why this visa got rejected. Of course, the first one is very much reason for the rejection. Let's see what candidate said. I'm confused what to do next. Will I get any slots before fall intake? And even okay, so getting a slots now for the fall intake after this social media things. If you didn't know what is the social media vetting, watch this video. You will find what exactly it is. Getting a slot is now difficult for the refusal. However, you can try it. You need to monitor. You can use website like check visa slots, or maybe you can approach the third party. I don't suggest that, but if you want it, you can approach it. And yeah, I think those 2 reasons got him rejected this time. I'm adding link of this interview in the description below. You can go and check the comments below. There are a lot of people giving their opinions. And that was today's visa verdict. I hope this helped you to understand how small details in your answer can either make or break your visa interview. I want you to analyze this interview and make sure to add in comment what do you think, what went wrong and what went right. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay confident. Do not lose hope and make sure that you are grabbing that F1 visa.